god. Oh my gosh. Like this is the worst one I have ever seen. Look at this. Holy shit. Oh my god. Part of our job. We listen, we don't judge. Still alive.
Şunu kaldırmam lazım.
Ew. God. Oh my gosh. Like this is the worst one I have ever seen. Look at this. Holy shit. Oh my god. I cannot believe this. I swear to God, I cannot believe it. John! Come here.
Holy fuck.
Yo, what is this? Holy. Go ahead.
They have a civilization.
Go inside. Come. Make sure we won't.
They're all flying out now.
Sen bunu biraz daha ileride yapman lazım kardeşim bak. Vallahi içeriye girmez dükkanın içine.
O kadar da power supply içinde ha.
Bu nasıl bir şeydir ya? Allah belanı versin. And big, they're like big. Çok farklı ya. Böyle bir şey ilk defa görüyorum. Bunlar inşallah içeriye girmez.
Ben de onu düşünüyorum abi ya.
Baksana. honest question, would you go still fix it or throw this in the garbage? He said he gave it to somebody, they were keeping it 2 months and they give him like that. So there is no power whatsoever. And he said there is no live one inside. He knew that there was roaches in it. Aslan aslan canavar parçası. You get itchy. Watching this is gonna get you itchy. Sakin ol. Sakin ol. Thank you, Sony. After 100 screws, still didn't get inside. I cannot describe the smell of this PlayStation. Like not just even fixing it, the smelling. I don't know how to describe it. Alright, let's go. Let's see if it's under anything. Still, they are everywhere.
Bunu kurtaramazsın ya.
Even on the liquid metal has the roaches still.
Asıl olay şimdi geliyor bak.
Let's see the power supply. I want to see the power supply. Because most of the heat that goes on the power supply. Look at that. God damn it. Uzakta yap. Oh, I'm itching so bad. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look. Look. Right there. Pardon. Bring. Like, I think that's garbage. Look at it. They're like enjoying the weather. Yeah, guys. Story of our life. The only thing I worry about now is the. Aynen. Hopefully they won't come. Still in there. At çöp etkisi. My guy. You don't work anymore. That's it. We are back on this main board. We are cleaning as much as we can. You're not cleaning with water. Make sure, don't try this with water. Let's see if we can make this work. We washed the whole thing with deep water. Let's see. They're still in there. We're gonna throw this in the garbage. We cannot use this. Even between right there also, some of them. This is garbage. We can clean this, that, and then let's see. The rest is also garbage.
Covers.
Alright, so far we cleaned the whole thing as much as we can. Now we're gonna test it on the TV and see if this is working or not. Let's go. Alright, live. Ice! We're gonna test ice. I don't think, you know, we had to change the whole bottom on this one. We are literally only using this board and see if it's gonna work. Okay, the moment of the truth. Damn, that's a good sign. Look at that. Where we are. Your PlayStation is ready, sir. The grossest PlayStation ever. Click the controller, let's see. Can we go on the account? Hopefully no name in there. Or should I release the name? Alright, the fan is spinning. This is our fan actually, we put it, but I'm gonna test with his fan as well. So look at that. It's unbelievable. Nothing coming. İnşallah bugün yaparız. Hop, came on. All right. There you go. We are in, baby. I don't think anybody will even touch this. But what we always say, don't
Money
worry.
talks volumes.
I got you. Don't worry, I got you. We're gonna put it together and then I'm gonna show the final at the end. Alright, final look. Look how clean now. Compare how it came. Yep, this is the same one. Remove this, please. Look at that. So we clean the outside, inside. So let's connect it again. Nobody will touch this. Alright, still works. Connect the controller too. Alright, turned on. When the fan spins, it still stinks like the roaches. There you go. It's there. It's working. We replaced the liquid thermal as well. Let's see the other side. Okay. Nothing in there. Whole roaches is gone. Everything is gone. We deep cleaned it. That's how we do it. Good job.
Thank you.